Hi boys and girls, today we are going to talk about estimating to get your product. So estimating products. Estimating is when you are getting close and a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So estimating products means we're going to get close to our right answer for our multiplication. So let's say I'm doing 6 times 125. Now, estimating is when you make your numbers easier to work with. I couldn't just solve this in my head. I know that 125 is fairly close to 100. So 6 times 100 equals 600. Did I need to write that out? No, that's the type of thing that you should be able to solve in your head. The entire point of estimating is that you're not having to write it out. You can just solve it all up here. So I'm going to do another one, and let's see if we can solve it all up here. So we have 4 times 281. 4 times 281. Now, this number is easy to work with, but this one's kind of tricky. So think, what can I make this close to? 281. It's almost 300. So in your head, I want you to try and do 4 times 300. So in your head, find your basic fact. 4 times 3. I know 4 times 3, that's 12. But then I have 2 extra zeros, so it would be 1200. So I'm going to write out what just happened in my head. In my head, I turned this 281 into 300. And this 4 is already easy to work with, so I'm going to leave it the same. I found my basic fact. 4 times 3 is 12. That's my basic fact. And then I had 2 extra zeros, 2 extra zeros. 1,200 or 1,200, you could say it either way. Okay, so let's try one more, and let's try and do it all in our heads. And then I'll illustrate it with you. Okay, so let's do 7 times 314. First step, make this 314 into something easy to work with. 314, what could it be close to that's easy to work with? How many of you said 300? That's awesome if you did. 314 is very close to 300, all right? 7 is already easy to work with. Try and solve this in your head without writing it down. Find your basic fact, and then add your extra zeros. Seven times 3 is 21. Then I have 2 extra zeros. 2,100. Now, is 2,100 exactly 7 times 314? No, it's an estimate. It's close to the right answer. So that's the whole goal of estimating, is just to get yourself close to the right answer. Okay? So remember, round it, basic fact, add your extra zeros, and it should give you a good estimate. Okay? Bye guys and gals.